Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs. Woo, got me hotter than a sauna. Ass so fat, make me wanna thank your mama. Ass so fat, I think I need a lap dance. Ass so fat, about to pop out of them pants.
Hey guys, welcome back to Eating with Ashley here on my Full Figure Life. Now, if you watched my Cooking with Ashley yesterday, you know today we is about to get our grub on. I made a seafood boil. Look at that. It has crab claws, shrimp, potatoes, corn, and a whole lot of flavor. So that's what we about to eat. I don't drink beer, but I have some white wine. Yes, y'all. So you guys know how we do. Here's a little bit of food porn. Okay, so I don't know how much I'm gonna really be able to eat, so let's get this popping into this food, y'all. Let's go, because I am ready. I made the peel and eat shrimp. I like to suck the juices out, then just peel the shell off and eat it. Let me make a little corners for me to put the shells. Oh, and this has chorizo in it. Bomb, y'all. This broth I made is so flavorful. It's so good. Yeah, I haven't been on because I was coming down with a cold, and I've been eating nothing but like soup and stuff. So you guys know I am ready for this food, y'all. Oh, stop the bullshit. Let's. This broth is so flavorful. Yeah. Today is the Super Bowl. So if you hear random screaming, that is my husband watching the game in the room. I know I'm ready to get messy, y'all. This is some messy ass food. So don't judge me. I don't know how much talking I'm supposed to do while I'm eating this, so y'all gonna be watching me eat. Yo, this broth I made is just on point. If you like paella, you could throw some like mussels into that broth and then like a cup of rice, and you would have like a bomb ass seafood paella. Very versatile. I usually don't get just the crab claws. I like the snow or king crab legs, but they were all out. I guess everybody and their mama eating crab legs for Super Bowl. So I had to improvise. So I'm gonna be fighting with them little ass crab claws. Let's see how that goes. I should have got. I was gonna say I should have got the shrimp already with the shell up. But something about cooking it with the shell, you just get that flavor in there. Yo, please go make this recipe. This shit is good as fuck. Yeah, I'm up. Oh, look at these crab claws. I hate fighting with these. Ooh. Did that shit just go all over me, y'all? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? I don't know. Fuck it. I don't give a fuck. Yes, I'm a barbarian. I open a crab with my teeth. I'm ridiculous. I do notice one thing about the smaller crabs. I think the meat is maybe like a little sweeter than the big ones. Or just not that much meat in them. Put my shrimp, y'all. It's just dripping with goodness. This shit is good. Yeah, we are getting so close to our 5K goal. And we still running the Valentine's Day giveaway. I'm going to announce the winner for that on Valentine's Day. But pretty soon we're going to start having to do the 5K giveaway. I already started to order stuff for that giveaway. It's going to be so good, y'all. Wait till you guys see all the stuff I'm getting. These potatoes. It was like the seasoning is all the way through it. This chorizo. Everything is so good. So what y'all doing for Valentine's Day? I don't know what the hell, I don't know. I would like to be doing something now. Potato. Ooh. Man, I waited for this shit. Yeah, I almost came out here with no eyebrows and a doobie cap on. That's how much I wanted to eat. Y'all see this highlight? This is that Zion from Queen's Life. Go get that. It's only like $15. If even that, it might be like $10 with my promo code. This shit is the truth. Wait till y'all see my Valentine's Day tutorials that's coming out. I see you guys like the first one. Thank you for all the love on that video. I appreciate it. Yo, these shrimps is fucking perfect, yo. I hate overcooked shrimp. These are perfect. This is a lot. I'm getting shit all over it. I knew it was gonna be messy, but I wore the perfect shirt, so y'all can't really tell. This chorizo is so good. It's so good. It's like the chorizo just gives it just a specific flavor. Just bomb. Yeah. I am in fat girl heaven right now. I didn't even think about being cute. Today, we grub. Fuck all the cute shit. Who else got to open their crabs with their teeth? Am I ridiculous for doing that? Ooh. Corn. That is juicy, y'all. Y'all see all that juice? It's just nothing but flavor. Bitch. Bitch. Yo. I don't give a fuck. Man, yo. This shit is good. I'm sorry for all the cussing, but oh, it's so good. Ooh, look at all that juice. It's just so juicy. It's like a bomb seafood broth, yo. Look at that meat, yo. Y'all, I'm so sorry if you don't like seafood, but this right here is so good. Yo, this shit is good. I'm sorry I said that like a million times, but it is. I don't even know what the fuck to talk about. Fighting with this food. I hate little crabs. But my fat ass so wanted some damn crabs, so I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna get them. It's so juicy. Yeah. Yeah, I picked to do my video when the fucking Super Bowl started. Like, literally. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 7:30 or 6:30. These potatoes. This is like the best stuff ever. I could eat seafood every day and not get tired of it, I promise. don't know what to talk about, y'all. I just want to grub today. These little crabs, you gotta really fight with them. Next one I do, I'm gonna have big king crab legs. I'm gonna wait until I get them to do it. I just love seafood. Like, fuck a dozen roses. Give me a dozen crab legs. I'll be good. Like, they so little. There go my cat. Now I smell all the seafood. I'm surprised he ain't under me. Oh, excuse me. Even though it looks like a lot, actually it's not that much food. Somebody told me that you should use this pointy part to pick out the crab meat. I mean, I guess it works. Should I do that? Or is that just too much? One of my subscribers told me I be smacking too much. I'm sorry if I be smacking y'all. I just be giving y'all the real. Yes. Fighting with this shit. I'm gonna have to clean this table down with bleach. It's gonna smell like fish in here. It's so sweet. Yeah. I wanted to put broccoli in this, but they didn't even have no fucking broccoli crumbs. Like, people took all the food. And I was not messing with no frozen broccoli. I hate frozen broccoli. It's like the worst to me. You never know what you're gonna get inside the bag. Be like a lot of stalks and stuff. I hate it. It's gonna be a long ass mukbang, just me eating and talking shit. Hey, it is what it is. Ooh. Go. What? This is a big one. There go my cat. What you doing? You want some? Can cats have crab meat? I know their food has crab in it. Can they have like real crab meat? I'm gonna have to look that up right quick. I don't want him to get sick. I mean, as long as it's not in the shell, right? I'm getting full, y'all. I think it's the potatoes. Because it's damn sure ain't the crabs, because there ain't even that much meat in this. I only cut up 2 red potatoes in this whole thing. And I got so much more left in the pot. Like, I'm going to be eating this tomorrow too. I'm just cracking crab everywhere. I'm gonna have to do some real cleaning up after this. I cannot have the house smell like crabs. Where you go, y'all? Shit. This is not not get messy food. I wish I had snow crab legs. I hate fighting with these little crabs. The meat might be a little bit sweeter, but it's a lot of work. That was a good piece. This piece ain't had no meat in it. Literally that much. I'm done fighting with these shits. I need to go decrab myself. Well, that was another mukbang. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to do yupu. Bye guys. I need to go wash.